Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. From Bhavanipur Sapatia Tamil Madrasa online class, I introduce myself. I am Muhammad Muqsad Ali, Assistant Teacher English. So dear students, like every day, today I welcome to this class for class 6 to 10. Now I want to start our 2 days class on English second paper with voice interrogative sentence. So dear students, our today's topic is voice in interrogative sentence. Voice of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. So dear students, look at the board on the screen and follow the rules. And enjoy it and be ready to take your exercise book and pens. Okay, ready? Okay, good. Interrogative sentence has one rule. The first rule, one. The sentence starts with an auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. Sentence. Which sentence starts with an auxiliary verb? What will we do? How will we change? At first, we need every in according to the sentence of voices. Next, number B. The object as subject from object. I mean, it would be object of subject. We need objective form. Next, number C. Other auxiliary verb. Number D. Main verb past participle. E. Preposition by, with or to. And at last, objective form objective form of so we need objective form of subject. It is very important, and in the lecture of assertive sentence I told you. At last, interrogation, I mean interrogative sign. So dear students, look here the examples of this rule. Suppose, do you call me? Do you call me? Here you can see, do you call me? It is an interrogative sentence and in present indefinite tense. How can we change it? Our do is an AV, subject, verb 2, verb 1, I mean present form, and me is object. So the subjective form of me, I. In according to I, in present indefinite tense, we can find am as auxiliary verb instead of do. Am, I. Here is no other auxiliary verb because in interrogative sentence, I mean present indefinite or past indefinite, in these two tenses has only auxiliary verb is used, such as am or is or are in past form, was or were. And we got to other auxiliary verb. Here is no D number, main verb past participle. Here call is the main verb, past participle called. ed plus interrogation. Clear? And another tense. Did he want him? Or I show you no some extra verb which has used to preposition with, to, at, etc. So look here. We can find it past indefinite with sign up, did. So according to our rule, the object is him and the subject is he. If the subject is he, we have to take was instead of did. Was, he, main verb, past participle, known, preposition to him. Interrogative sign. And I change it, she, and it is her, because I wrote the subject and object are same. And now I change the subject she instead of he. So dear students, at last we don't get other auxiliary verb. How can we find it? We can get two or more auxiliary verbs except present indefinite or past indefinite. Suppose in future indefinite, will they do the sum? Do the sum. Same as it is an interrogative sentence and the object is the sum, because it is noun and the subjective form is the same. So the sum. It is in present future indefinite, so we need will. It is at first will. Here is be and main verb do. The past participle of do is done. By the object of they is subject them. Okay, so dear students, the rule, if the interrogative sentence starts with an auxiliary verb, so we can follow it in this way. Okay, thank you. Next, rule number 2. Rule number 2. If there is what, how, where, and when, the sentence will start with the WH word except how or who or whom. Here is we count what, how, where, and when. How can we change it? At first, we need WH word such as what, how, where, and when. What we will find in our interrogative sentence. Be every auxiliary verb C number main verb past participle D by with to etc.